Here's how to unclip your images from your canvas or artboard. For example, you're working on a project and when you drag your image off of the canvas, it tends to be clipped. When you drag it out completely, it disappears. So here's how to unclip it from your canvas. So you come out of your canvas area, come to the workspace and just right click and click on clip to canvas. So when you click it will unclip the images. You cannot drag it out of the canvas and just arrange it. So for example, you have other images that you want to use. Let me import some other images. So I'll import some other images into our workspace and I will zoom out a little bit. Then I can now begin to arrange my images I want to work with. The elements, I can arrange them around this place. So when I want to use them, I can now use them. So you can also use this when you want to get inspiration, maybe from a couple of images. You can get those images and arrange them around your canvas and you begin to work with them. So this is how to unclip. Then if you want to clip, you can just do the same thing. Right click and clip to canvas. All of them disappears, but they're still there. While you right click again and unclip it appears. So you can work with your spaces that way.